Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe, and check out the family game. Y'all already know what we doing, man. We are moving and grooving in the right direction. So, rock with your boy. Definitely get ready to sit back. It's the month of October. It's spooky out. It's very, very scary. And we're gonna have to talk about these Halloween edition Nike shoes. That's right, gang. Let's look at these Nike. Oh man, these spooky Jordan 1s. The low top Jordan 1s look spooky. You see the cloth and the material, and look at the reflective eyes going throughout it, man. That shoe is ready for Halloween. You better be ready to grab your popcorn and all the candy bags you can, because people are going to be scaring you with those shoes on. They Jordan 1s, so they're trying to make a comeback. And the lows is just in time for the holiday season. With that reflective material, that is a scary shoe. Now, let's look at these Nike Vomeros, man. Check them out. Look at that, gang. That is a crazy looking shoe. It's got that silver metallic in it, giving you a Halloween smoky vibe, a spooky, foggy night. Imagine trying to walk down the street with those on, man. You're going to be scaring everybody. And if you look at these, I think they sweet. These Nike Dunks has a different type of material, kind of has that reflective blended material, mesh. Cool. Nike needed to create something just to kind of capitalize on this time of the season. It's fall, it's spooky. Halloween will be coming in a few weeks, so check it out. If you want to try to add this to your shoe collection, it's not a bad thing. You get a pair of Jordan lows, they're the Jordan 1s, some Nike Vomeros, or some Nike Dunks. That's the spooky pack that they're dropping for this Halloween. So gang, are y'all getting them? I know what shoe I'm wearing on Halloween. I'm gonna wear my, drum roll please. I'm gonna wear my snakeskin foam-posite Air Force 1s. They kind of have a teal green glow to them, and they look black and white. So I'm definitely gonna pop them out this Halloween. Tell me in the comment section, what will y'all be dressing up for as Halloween if you're taking your kids out, or if you just want to be a kid yourself? Tell me, what is the shoe you're going to wear with that Halloween costume? And do you think you're going to try to grab any of these Halloween spooky packs? Just like those Nike Dunks that had the skull on it. Yeah, them boys are spooky. Right in time for Halloween, gang. So shout out to everybody. If you found this entertaining or informative, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. And tell a friend to meet us at 10. It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. I'm gonna keep bringing this banging content for your head top. That's right, we trying to get over 1,000, then 5,000, then 10,000. There ain't no stopping us, gang. So peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them? All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.